In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can seamlessly publish content from Dropbox to both Instagram and Facebook. We'll explore what's possible with today's technology, highlight some of the changes and shifts that have taken place, and I'll guide you through a couple of effective workarounds. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. To start, Dropbox is incredibly versatile, especially when it comes to integrating with third-party platforms to streamline your workflows. A popular tool for achieving this is Zapier. With Zapier, you have the power to set up automated workflows so that when a new file appears in your Dropbox, it can be instantly published as a photo on Instagram for business. This automation saves you time, letting you focus more on creating content and less on the logistics of posting it. Additionally, Dropbox plays nicely with social media management tools like Sprout Social. This is especially handy because it allows you to directly pull images or videos from Dropbox into Sprout Social. From there, you can easily schedule or post your content to platforms like Facebook and Instagram. If your goal is to automate further, then you should know that Dropbox also supports automation through IFTTT for selected tasks, such as syncing file uploads from Dropbox directly to a Facebook page. Now, let's walk through how you can publish using the methods available today. Depending on the level of automation you're comfortable with, there are two recommended approaches. First, let's discuss the manual route, which involves less automation, but might be preferred for those looking for a bit more control over each step. Begin by uploading your photo or video to Dropbox, either using the web or mobile app. Once that's done, on your mobile device, open the Dropbox app and locate the specific file you're aiming to post. In older versions of the app, you might tap the menu and choose the Export or Open In option, selecting Instagram or Facebook as your desired platform. Note that this direct export option might not be available in newer versions, so if that's the case, you'll need to download the file from Dropbox to your device. From there, simply open up Instagram or Facebook and upload your file as you normally would, adding your captions and tags before hitting post. Alternatively, for those who crave more automation, you might consider using an integration platform like Zapier or AppyPie Automate. For instance, with Zapier, you can set up a system where a new file appearing in a designated Dropbox folder serves as your trigger, and the action is to publish that photo to Instagram for business. Start by connecting your Dropbox account through an authorization process, then link your Instagram business account or Facebook page account. You'll need to define which folder in Dropbox will hold the content you wish to auto-publish, ensuring that whenever new media is added, it automatically posts to your chosen social account. You might also set specific times for posting or apply filters based on file names depending on your platform. Be sure to test your setup to confirm everything posts accurately, checking that image sizes and any required metadata, like captions, are correctly displayed. And that's how you can efficiently publish content from Dropbox to Instagram and Facebook using both manual and automated methods.